Hello guys, I am from Gaugrass Maths. I am going to explain question number 15. The question is, find the equation of the tangent line to the curve y equal to x square minus 2x plus 7, which is B part is there, perpendicular to the line 5y minus 15x equal to 13. This is the question about which I am going to discuss here. Here I shall write solution. Solution implied that here you can see equation of the tangent line to the curve. Given curve is there. First of all, we shall find slope of the tangent to the curve. Means dy over dx we shall find out. So here I shall write given the curve y equal to x square minus 2x plus 7 implied that y equal to x square minus 2x plus 7. Differentiating y with respect to x implied that d over dx of y equal to d over dx of x square minus 2 d over dx of x plus d over dx of 7 implied that d over dx of y, here in center function y is available, but d will be conjugated if y comes out to be dy over dx. So here I shall write dy over dx equal to d over dx of x square comes out to be 2x minus 2 I shall write d over dx of x we shall get 1 plus d over dx of 7 here is a constant. First order derivative of a constant comes out to be 0. d over dx of 7 comes out to be 0. So here we shall get dy over dx equal to 2x minus 2 we shall get. So here we dy over dx will be equal to 2x minus 2. This is the slope of the tangent. So here I shall write, hence the slope of the tangent to the curve equal to dy over dx equal to 2x minus 2. The slope of the tangent to the curve equal to dy over dx equal to 2x minus 2. This thing we have got. This tangent is perpendicular to the line. Now I shall discuss about the line. So here I shall write given line, the given line now the given line 5y minus 15x equal to 13 implied that Here I shall write 5y equal to minus 15x is there in left hand side. That will be moved back to right hand side. Comes out to be 15x plus 13. This thing will get 5y equal to 15x plus 13. So here we shall get divide both sides by 5. So we shall y equal to y equal to 15 over 5 x plus 13 over 5. This thing will get. So here we will get implied that y equal to 3x plus 13 over 5. This thing we have got. Y equal to 3x plus 13 over 5. This thing we have got. Now here I shall write y equal to 3x plus 13 over 5 comparing implied that here I shall write implied that comparing with it with y equal to mx plus c. So we shall get m equal to 3. M equal to 3 we have got. So here m equal to 3. Slope of the given line. Slope of the given line. Slope of the given line we have got m equal to 3. Here again I shall write the slope of the given line equal to 3. Here you can see tangent to the curve. Tangent is parallel to the given line. So here I shall write since the tangent is perpendicular to the given line. Since the tangent is perpendicular to the given line, this is a symbol of perpendicular to the given line. Hence implied that जब ये कंडीशन है then slope of the tangent into slope of the given line equal to -1. So here I shall write the slope of the tangent bracket में into slope of the tangent you have got this one slope of the tangent into slope of the given line slope of given line is equal to minus 1. Imply that slope of the tangent into slope of the given line comes out to be minus 1. So here again I shall write slope of the tangent. You can see slope of the tangent to the curve we have got 2x minus 2. So here you will get slope of the tangent, the slope of the tangent we shall get 2x minus 2. So here I shall write 2x minus 2. Here write only dot. 2x minus 2 into slope of the given line you have got 3. This thing you have got equal to minus 1. This is the formula. Since the tangent is perpendicular to the given line, in this case, slope of the tangent multiply to slope of the given line comes out to be minus 1. This is the formula you must remember. So here the slope of the tangent 2x minus 2 we have got here multiply to slope of the given line 3 comes out to be minus 1. Simplify this one. We will get here 2x minus 2. 2x minus 2 comes out to be minus 1 over 3. Minus 1 over 3. So here we will get implied that get the value of x. 2x is equal to minus 1 over 3 plus 2. We will get here implied that 2x is equal to here write 3, here write minus 1 plus 3 to just 6, right here 6. So here you have got implied that 2x is equal to 5 over 3, implied that x is equal to 5 over 6. This value we have got. X minus 2 is equal to minus 1 over 3. This will be the slope of the tangent. We have got minus 1 over 3. The x ordinate you have got 5 over 6. So when here I shall write when x is equal to 5 over 6, imply that get the curve here y equal to x square minus 2x plus 7. I shall write imply that y is equal to here x square is there. So put x equal to 5 over 6. So here write 5 over 6 का whole square minus 2. Here write 5 over 6 comes out plus 7. I shall write here plus 7. Y equal to 5 over 6 का whole square minus 2 dot 5 over 6 plus 7 we shall get. So here just simplify this one. Y equal to 5 का whole square comes out to be 25. 25 over 6 is 36 minus 5 to 10. 10 over 6 plus 7 over 1. I can write like this. Here again I shall write y equal to get LCM here 36. So here you will get 25 minus, here 6 is there, to multiply 6 multiply to 6, 36. Here 10 6 ja 60 plus 7 will multiply to 36. So 36 multiply to 7 comes out to be 7 6 ja 42. We get here 4 or 7 3 ja 21 plus 4 25. So here you will get 252. You will get here y equal to, now calculate this one. (25 minus 60). 25 60 minus 60 plus 25. Do this operation. So we will get here 5. Here 5 comes out to be 3 minus 35. So minus 35 252. Minus 35 you have got minus 35. So we will get here 7. Here you will get 4. 4 minus 3 comes out to be 1, 2. 217. So here you will get 217 over 36. This value we have got. This is 36. So x is equal to 5 over 6. Y is equal to 217 over 36. This value we have got. Now I shall find equation of tangent at the point 5 over 6 and y equal to 217 36. So here I shall write the equation of tangent at point 5 over 6 comma 217 over 36. We will get here implied that y minus y1 I shall get 217 over 36 equal to y minus y1 you have got 21 over 36 equal to m. The value of m, the m slope of the tangent I shall write. Here you have got slope of the tangent, you have got 2x minus 2. Here 2x minus 2 is equal to minus 1 over 3. So here write minus 1 over 3. X minus x1 5 over 6. This is the same as y minus y1 equal to m x minus x1. General equation of a tangent. This thing we have got. So what we will do here? Just simplify this one. So here you will get y over 1. Take calcium. We will get here 36y minus 217 over 36. 36y minus 217 over 36. And here I shall write minus 1 over 3. In bracket I shall write x/1 minus 5/6. So here we will get 6x minus 5/6. x/1 6x minus 5/6 we have got. Again here I shall write implied that here just cancel out 6 will be cancel out to 36. We'll get here 6. 6 is a 36. Here 3 and 6 will cancel, I will get here 2. So here you have got these 2 will move back to a this place. You will get 36y minus 217 equal to minus plus 2 will multiply to minus 1. So here write minus 2. Write in bracket. In bracket I shall write here minus 2. Here write 6x minus 5. This thing I have got. Now simplify this one. 36y minus 217 equal to minus 12x plus 10. 36y minus 217 equal to minus 12x plus 10. This thing I have got. Now again I shall write 12x plus 36y minus 217 minus 10 equal to 0. This thing we have got. Now again I shall write implied that 12x plus 36y minus 227 equal to 0. 12x plus 36y minus 227 equal to 0. This is the desired equation of the tangent. The desired equation. This one. Twelve x plus 36y minus 227 equal to 0. This is the desired equation of tangent. I shall write. Now I shall check the answer with key point. Then I shall confirm it is okay or not. Now here you have got 12x plus 36y minus 227 equal to 0. I have checked the answer with Q point. This answer is correct. This means that this equation will be the desired equation of the tangent. This is the complete solution of question number 15. Okay guys, thanks.